Hello students, so till now we have seen the characteristics and features of business environment. Let's see the importance of business environment, means how important it is for any business person to read the environment before going ahead. Okay, so like if one is aware of these changes, so what will happen? Means not only it helps the business to adopt these changes, but also the person or the business person, they can use them as an opportunities also, isn't it? So let's see the importance. These importance are: first, business environment enables the firm to identify opportunities to get the first mover advantage. Then it helps the firm to identify threats and early warning signal. It helps in tapping useful resources. It helps in coping with rapid changes. It helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. And last, it helps in improving performance. So the first importance is business environment enables the firm to identify opportunities to get the first mover advantage. Environment provides various opportunities for business success. Understanding it helps an organization in identifying advantageous opportunities and exploiting benefits prior to the competitors. So let's understand it. Like, see, all changes can't be negative. If you evaluate it, you can be reason for the success also. And as you all know, like since last year there is change in the syllabus of business studies paper, and the publishing company which bring out the revised edition at the earliest, definitely they are going to get the first mover advantage, because if you are going in the stationery shop and if you are asking for the revised edition and the one who is having that book, definitely you are going to purchase that book only, na? So it will be the opportunities for those companies to get the first mover advantage. Then the second point says it helps the firm to identify threats and early warning signal. Means environmental awareness can help managers of an organization to identify various threats on time and serve as an early warning signal. Means, like, what is threat? Actually, it is the trend and changes. Means whatever the change the customer or the technology there is change in these things. So definitely these are a kind of threat for any company. And it refers to external environment. Suppose any company XYZ came to know that in near future there will be more company of its type, means more company are going to come of the same kind. Then the company on this basis, means on this information, they can try to improve their quality of product, or they may reduce their cost, or do aggressive advertisements so that to capture more and more market. Okay, so that before any other company or any other competitor they enter the market, the existing company, they will try their best to grab the market most. Now the third importance of business environment is it helps in tapping useful resources. Like business firm assembles various resources such as man, machine, money, raw material, power, etc. from its environment, and then it supplies it to the consumers. By understanding the business environment, an enterprise can design policies to acquire the required resources and convert them into output that environment desires. So what does this mean? Like, what are the resources for business? The resources, they are the men, machine, raw materials, isn't it? So means these are the inputs which are used for production. Now suppose if there is change in demand of the product, so what the business person they are going to do, they will first identify the reason that why this changes, due to changes due to technology or due to like more skillful worker. What is the reason behind that? And then what they are going to do, they will try to bring the change in their resource so that they can meet the environment. the desire of the environment so that they can meet it. And suppose I will give you one example, like when the demand for LED monitor, it increases, then what happens? The company, they start arranging LED instead of CRT monitor. Means earlier they were using these CRT monitor as the input. Now they started using LED monitor. Now let's see the fourth importance, and that is helps in coping with rapid changes. So business environment is very dynamic, where changes are taking place at a fast pace. In order to cope with significant changes, managers must understand, examine and develop a suitable course of action. Now let's see what this means. Like today's environment is very dynamic, and everyone we knows that dynamic means keeps on changing. Changes takes place at very fast pace. Now in order to cope with these changes, managers, what they should do? They should understand environment and they should develop the suitable actions accordingly. Like when LCD was blooming and customers were demanding for LCDs, then student, what happens at that time? There was one company named as Western TV, and because they didn't bring these kinds of changes in their TV, so they failed to cope with the change and change in the demand, and so they lost the market value. Because if you are not going to change, definitely no one is going to purchase the product, and then the market value of the product will be down. Then the another importance is it helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. Means what? Since business environment provides both opportunity and threats for the firm, its understanding and analysis can be the basis for planning and policy formulation in an organization. Like, what is planning? Planning is actually deciding in advance that what you have to do. Now, when business environment provides both opportunities as well as threat also. So this is up to the business to decide what plan they have to make in order, either means they need to solve the problem if the problem comes, or if there is any opportunity, definitely they have to grab that opportunities. So accordingly they have to plan. Like ITC, like tourist company, they planned for new hotels in India after they came to know that there will be increase in share of tourism in near future. So this is one of the example of planning and policy formulation. Now the last importance, it says that it helps in improving performance. Now how does it help? Like analysis and understanding of trends of the business environment helps the business to improve its performance, but also help to succeed in the market for long period. Like adapting to external forces, it helps the business to improve the performance, and definitely when the performance will improve, the business will survive in the market. So here we finishes with the importance of business environment.